What exactly triggers the Hoover? Listen up. A narcissist doesn't miss you. They miss the supply, the validation, the control, the access, the emotional buffet your heart once provided. In your silence, that's not peace to them. That's a threat to their entire fabricated identity. The Hoover begins the moment they feel you slipping out of their psychic leash. And suddenly, they change. They reflect. They understand. They realize. They just want to talk. No, they don't. They want to reset your fucking amnesia. Lean in. This one's important. Their tactics. They will hoover you with nostalgia warfare. The remember when we... No, actually. Remember when you destroyed my nervous system daily, minute by minute? Crisis mode. They suddenly have an illness, a tragedy, a freak-out meltdown, or an epiphany. Every narcissist has a built-in smoke machine for emergencies. The apology that isn't one. It goes like this. I'm sorry, but you know how I get. You know how I was raised, or you know what I've been through in my childhood. Translation. Prepare to be blamed for my apology. The pity manipulation. My whole world is falling apart. Yes, because the part named you stopped holding it up. The new version pitch. They'll talk like they're auditioning for a spiritual awakening they never attended. I've really been working on myself. Sure, all of the 11 minutes after you stopped replying. Here's the deal. The real reason they hoover, it's because your absence is their punishment. That's right. I said it. And your silence is their downfall. Without you, the narcissist faces the one thing they cannot confront. Their empty, rotting void. They hoover because they can't regulate their emotions. They lost their power source when they lost you. They can't stand seeing you rise and be happy and smile genuinely. They panic when they're no longer the center of your universe. They know someone else will eventually love you better, like you fucking deserve. A narcissist would rather resurrect the relationship than face the funeral of their fucking ego. Now, what happens when you don't respond to their games, their stalking? The mask shatters. They go from, I love you, I need you. I miss you. To, you're cold-hearted bitch. You're heartless. You threw me away like trash. You owe me. No, you owe them nothing. Do you understand? Nothing. Your silence is your protection. Your distance is your justice. Your healing is their karma. When you stop feeding the monster, it starves. The truth that you need to hear, they aren't coming back because you were forgettable. They're coming back because you were fucking irreplaceable. They will never, ever find another you. Not in this lifetime. Not in the next timeline. Not in any universe where souls carry memory. See, you were the lesson. They were the warning. If they can't contact you, they'll stalk you. If they can't manipulate you, they'll smear you. And if they can't break you, they'll fucking fear you. Subscribe or be unmasked. This is your spiritual assassin. No masks, no mercy.